Welcome you all to my channel. I am A. Dhanasekar from Mettur. Dear students, now we discuss about trick to balance the chemical reactions. On balancing equation of metal with concentrated acid, we have some trouble. So, how to solve this trouble by using my trick? Watch my video until the end. When metal react with concentrated acids, we get the product metal salt and dioxide gas and water. Let us discuss some example. Chromium, copper, zinc, silver, and the concentrated acids like concentrated H2SO4, concentrated HNO3. When this metal react with these acids to give the products, we write the unbalanced equation. When chromium react with sulfuric acid to forms chromic sulfate, that is Cr2SO4 thrice, and which is sulfur, so we get sulfur dioxide and water. Similarly, on balancing this equation, chromium produces chromic sulfate. Now, this is the trick. Listen carefully. Here, the SO4 present in 3 times. So, we put the 3 on the coefficient of the SO2. So, there are 6 sulfur. That is 3 in sulfur dioxide and 3 in chromic sulfate. So, there are 6 sulfates. So, we put the 6 in front of sulfuric acid, and the chromium in chromic sulfate is 2, so we put the 2 in front of chromium. And finally, we move to hydrogen. There are 6 into 2 hydrogen, 12 hydrogen, so we balanced 6 molecule as a water. Now this is the balanced equation. Let me check. 2Cr which is present in there, 6H2 which is present in water, and 6 sulfur, 3 in sulfate and 3 in SO2. So 3 in sulfur and 3 in sulfate and 3 in sulfur dioxide. So this is the trick. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more update. And move to zinc. When zinc react with zinc sulfate, here sulfate is present in 1 time. So we put the 1 in front of dioxide. So there are 2 sulfurs, one in zinc and another one is sulfur dioxide. So this 2s, we balance the reactant side, we put the 2 in front of H2SO4. So 2s is balanced and 2H2 is balanced in terms of water, and this is now the balanced equation. On move to silver, when SO4 is present in a single time, so we put 1 in front of SO2 and there are 2s, so we put the 2 in front of H2SO4, and Ag is present in 2 times, so 2Ag react with 2 sulfuric acid to forms Ag2SO4, that is silver sulfate, and sulfur dioxide as well as water. On balancing the water molecule, there are 2 H2s, so we put the 2 in front of water. Now these all are the balanced equation. When move to metal react with concentrated nitric acid, we take some example. Copper react with concentrated nitric acid, and zinc react with concentrated nitric acid, and silver react with concentrated nitric acid, and also chromium react with concentrated nitric acid. What are the products? When copper react with nitric acid, we get copper nitrate. The formula of copper nitrate is CuNO3 twice, and it is a concentrated acid, so we get nitrogen dioxide as a byproduct, and water also the product. When zinc react with nitric acid at concentrated conditions, we get zinc nitrate, that is ZnNO3 twice plus nitrogen dioxide NO2 plus water. Similarly, silver react with nitric acid to forms silver nitrate AgNO3 and nitrogen dioxide plus water. And final one, chromium does not react with nitric acid, so no problem. On balancing the first equation, use matrix and nitrate present in 2 times, so we put 2 in front of nitrogen dioxide. So there are 2 nitrogen in nitrate and 2 nitrogen in nitrogen dioxide. We have 4 nitrogen, so we input the 4 in front of nitric acid. On balancing this, there are 4 hydrogens, we put 2 in front of water. So now this is the balanced equation. Check it. When copper, here 1 copper and 4 hydrogens present in water and 4 nitrogens present in 2 in nitrate and 2 in nitrogen dioxide. 4 into 3, 12 oxygens. There are 6 in copper nitrate and 4 in nitrogen dioxide. There are 6 plus 4, 10 and 2 in water. 10 plus 2 is 12. 4 into 3, 12. So this is a balanced equation. Similarly, on moving to second example, when zinc react with nitric acid to form zinc nitrate. In zinc nitrate, nitrogen present in 2 times. So we put the 2 in front of nitrogen dioxide. We get 4 nitrogens, that is 2 in nitrate and 2 in nitrogen dioxide. Similarly, the above equation. So we put the 4 in front of nitric acid and 4 hydrogen, so we put 2 in front of water. So now it is a balanced equation. On moving third equation, when silver react with nitric acid to form silver nitrate and nitrogen dioxide. Here nitrate is present in 1 time, so we put 1 in front of NO2. Now there are 2 nitrogens, so we put the 2 in front of nitric acid and 2H is present in the form of water. So this is the balanced equation. Dear students, I hope you understand properly by using my trick on balancing chemical equation. Thank you.